Hi again. Welcome back to my channel. Today is an unboxing. A very brief unboxing, but an unboxing nonetheless. For years, I have used this in my sewing studio. And it is amazing if you're doing garments, pressing clothes, or ironing clothes rather. This is awesome. Old school. Nice and heavy and sturdy. Very good for that. But over the years, I have learned that this is not good for pressing quilt blocks. It's so heavy that it stretches the fabric. And so I've been on a search. Before this one, I had the Oliso, Oliso iron, and I loved that iron. Expensive, but well worth the money. And I had it for 10 years, if not 12. And the only reason I had to let it go was when my kids were younger, they would trip over the cord. No matter how I tucked it away, they still tripped on the cord. And that iron took a beating. But it got to the point where I didn't want to use the water reservoir anyway. It had started leaking, and I wasn't liking the results before it even started leaking. I wasn't liking the results that I was getting when I would put water in it. And so I just began to use a spray bottle of water and an empty iron to press my fabrics. And I loved it. And then it died. And so I went to Walmart and I got this. When I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, like it took me back to my childhood. And so I bought it. Not thinking this sucker is heavy. Not thinking it's going to stretch my fabric. In my mind, I thought, it's heavy. It's going to do a good job at getting my seams flat. And no. So I have struggled and struggled and struggled with this. And finally, I ordered a new iron. I also use a mini iron. It's a travel iron, rather. And that one is amazing. However, the surface on it is not very big. And so I just wanted something a little bigger. So we are going to put this one away. Not far, because there are times that I still iron clothes. Not my own, but my grandson's. So that one won't go far away, but let me show you what I do have. This one came, let's show you this way, so we don't get all my address out there. This is the Panasonic Freestyle 360 cordless. It's a steam iron. Again, I will not use the reservoir and put water in it. I still will just spray with a spray bottle of water. That's what I like. And so we will do that. Picking up quilt blocks and everything. I ordered this from Amazon. I think, if I remember correctly, I paid $80 for it. I'm gonna give it a try and see how it goes. The other reason I got this, because it was cordless and with the long arm, when I do start doing clients' quilts, if it needs to be pressed, I can do that with this cordless iron. And so that was where my thinking was when I got this. However, I do still plan to, at some point in the future, when we move, let's put it that way. When I tell you we're moving, know that I'm going to be getting the Oliso iron again. But for now, let's see this baby. So the instruction manual, of course. It's pretty lightweight. It doesn't seem heavy at all. pulled up on each of the snaps on the side to take the top off. And it's a carrying case. And there she is. Yeah, it's not heavy at all. It's got some good weight to it, but it's not nearly as heavy as the Black & Decker. But I mean, if I were going to use steam, that would permit a lot of steam to come from this iron, right? Beautiful. And there's the base. So I don't know how long it needs to sit on the base and all that good stuff. I don't have any idea about that. Oh, okay. There's only one way to be able to put it on the base. But you can use it in either direction. So yeah, I paid about 80 bucks for this. And I will use it for about a week or so and then come back and give an honest review on it. I am working on a quilt top now. I'm working on blocks and all of that good stuff. They're all over the sewing space right now. And so after I've used it for that, then I will come back and be able to give an honest review on it and tell you what I really think about it. And let you know if I decide to keep it, if it's, you know, if it's a good fit for me and my sewing space. If not, I'll send it back. I'll take that $80 and put it towards the Aliso and let it be done. All right. Thank you guys for coming along for this unboxing. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them below. And I will see you on the next video. Take care. God bless. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday, February 3rd. And it has been now a full month that I have had this new iron. And I wanted to come and just give my honest opinion and feedback on the iron. I showed you before that I was originally using the Black & Decker old school iron. And it was heavy as all get out. And I've been wanting to transition to a new iron because the heavy one was stretching my quilt blocks when I would come to press them here at the ironing station. So I got the Panasonic NIWL600. That is a mouthful. And so I've used it for a month. And I have to tell you that I still, even from the first moment that I used it, absolutely love it. I love that it, you know, is cordless as far as this part, you know, of course it's got to plug into something. It is hot. It gets really nice and hot and it stays hot for a good while. Pressing with it has been exceptional. I have absolutely no complaints. I had mentioned the Aliso iron that I had previously, and I had it for about 10 years or so. And I do eventually plan to get another one of those. It may be way down the road. I just didn't see where I could justify that expense right now. So maybe sometime in the future, who knows? But this one, this is a beast. This is very, very nice, exceptional. I don't put water in my irons. I think I said that before. I just use a spray bottle. That's a spray bottle full of water, and I just spritz my fabric. I let it sit for 10-15 seconds, and then I press it, and it creates the steam that I need and all that good stuff. And plus I am pressing my fabric on a wool mat most of the time. I have not had an issue with odor or smells or anything like that. Maybe that's because it dries out so well in between use. I don't know. But yeah, this isn't about the wool mat though, is it? It's about the iron. I have also used the iron on a quilt top on my long arm frame. Now, I plan to just do a water mist on quilt tops on my frame and let the wrinkles relax. But I just wanted to see, you know, what is this like having a cordless iron that I could take from here to there and press out or iron out wrinkles in a quilt top or backing. And that was pretty cool. That was pretty cool. However, I do like the idea of just misting with water and walking away and letting it relax. But to know that I can do that is wonderful. It is. So, not going to keep you much longer. I just wanted to come back on and, after a month of use, give you my honest opinion and review. And there you have it. Would I buy it again? Absolutely. Where did I get it? Amazon. How much? Don't remember. I think it was like 80 bucks. 80 bucks, 88 bucks. Something like that. But I'd definitely get it again. All right, guys. Have an amazing day. And I will see you on the next video. Take care. God bless. Bye. Hey guys, I wanted to come back on here really quick. And as I was about to close things up here in the sewing studio and go edit this video or the previous one, I was just leaning here, looking out the window and thinking, I like this. And I can't even pinpoint the exact date that I actually posted my return video. I don't know. January? I don't know. But it feels amazing to be back. I really did miss it. And I didn't realize how much I missed it. I don't think I'm doing anything grand. I don't think I'm teaching anybody anything. But just to be able to share what I love, what I'm passionate about, I thoroughly enjoy that. I absolutely thoroughly enjoy it. And so it's good to be back on YouTube. It's exhilarating to come into my sewing space and put up all the cameras and record footage and then sit down and edit that footage and get a complete video and post it. It's just fun. It's that creative side of me that is just so intrigued by it all. It doesn't get old. And so I have just been enjoying myself, having fun, making content. I could do this for a living if the Lord blessed me to do so. I truly could do this for a living. It's just fun. It's absolutely fun. And when you're able to do something that you love, I love sewing, I love quilting, I love sharing that part of my creativeness. It doesn't feel like work. And so I can come in here on a Saturday and spend anywhere from 7 to 9, 10, 11 hours in this room sewing, pressing, cutting, all of that good stuff. And when I finish and I'm like, oh, I guess I should go to bed now, it doesn't feel like work. I have just, to me, been in here playing in my sewing space and having the most amazing fun of my life. So I just want to say thank you to all of the subscribers that stayed, and then all of the new subscribers that have joined within the last month. I appreciate you all for watching my content. I don't think it's anything grand, but it's grand to me. And I just want to say thank you. I really do appreciate you. All right, guys, take care. God bless. Bye.